What's better than this? Guys being dudes.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Sometimes the world looks perfect. Nothing new.
Happy birthday, Raven!
Okay, sweet.
Do we got the eggs?
Yeah, we got the eggs.
Do we got the milk?
Yeah, we got the milk.
Hey, that's Honey! Phil's on TV!
I have no soul. Have a nice day!
I don't have one either.
Yeah, I'd like to solve the puzzle.
All right, go ahead.
Yep.
That's it, yeah.
Are they helium balloons?
Yeah,
I told you the car's not here for helium balloons.
It's too late.
Oh, we're flying away.
I'm hungry! Don't you eat any of my food!
Hello?
Brandon, ask me what kind of tree I have.
No.
Brandon, ask me what kind of tree I have.
No.
Just, Brandon, ask me what kind of tree. It's a Chris Pine.
Can I get a waffle? Can I please get a waffle?
Hey guys, I'm really sad.
Streets back. All right, dude.
Ever want to talk about your emotions, Tian?
No.
I do. I know, David.
I'm sad.
I know, David.
Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
Go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Don't fall off. Andy, don't fall!
I want to be a yo-yo man, he cried. Make me a yo-yo man. But the yo-yo master did not answer. He just kept on yoing.
Kevin, watch the light, dude.
You see what I can do when I really try? See what I can do when I give it my all?
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
23 for the class?
No, I cannot. What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never...